right, so week 5. This is going to be application of a very important movement skill for us, which is the external rotation of the femur at the hip. We're going to talk through with the kids what we call footprint in the sand. And the footprint in the sand does a few things for us. It works on even weight distribution throughout movement, essentially lending itself well to balance for multiple different movements. But it also teaches kids to kind of grip the ground with their feet and create some torque, some external rotation of the femur at the hip. That's going to help reduce the amount of space inside of the hip and ultimately make the pelvis more stable for heavier loads later on, and also keep the knee safe as it's traveling in line with the foot rather than a valgus knee position, which is inward of the foot. So we're working on quite a few things here, but we're going to emphasize this and really focus on it through application and movement. So footprint in the sand is the cue that we're using. That's the cue of the week. And we're applying that to things like the ability to blocked squat with our feet together, the ability to push press, which is going to have a different line of action for the torso, but from the hips down is going to remain exactly the same. And then we're also going to apply it to jumping, which is going to have 2 portions to it, and we'll talk through this with the kids as well, where their takeoff is going to have external rotation of the femur or footprint in the sand, and then when they land, we're also going to have footprint in the sand. So 2 portions, a little bit more complex in jumping, but footprint in the sand is our big focus of the week.